Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I will show you how to make a program to make a multiplication table in Python. So let's start. First of all, we have to take our integers like a variable like a. Then we have to convert into an integer that can put into a number. And we will use a for loop and take a variable like I. Its range is 1 comma 11. So 1 comma 11 changes into 1 to 10. Now print a comma double quotation begin into sign double quotation closed comma I comma double quotation begins equal sign double quotation closed comma a replicate or multiplication I. Now this is a simple program. Now learn it. Yeah. As the mail, type a number like 7, enter, escape, selection. Now we will take a large number, like 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 8, 7, 4, 1, 5, 2, 9, 4. Now this is a very large number. Now enter it. Here comes the table of this also. So this is a working program. So thank you everyone.